Come test drive 2017 Suburban. Suburban exceeds at towing heavy trailers, hauling loads of people and gear, and enduring hard use and rugged terrain, and is priced below $40,000. This vehicle has less than 40,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: power passenger seat, keyless entry, navigation system, power lift gate, traction control, leather-wrapped steering wheel, dual airbags, Bluetooth, air conditioning, one owner. If you like it online, you'll love it in your driveway. Take it for a spin today.
This is a one-owner vehicle with a CARFAX Vehicle History Report. Be sure to find a complimentary copy of this report online or contact the dealership. This vehicle qualifies for the CARFAX Buyback Guarantee.